The Office Clipboard allows you to store and view multiple items that you've cut or copied. In this lesson, you'll copy and cut items to the clipboard, and you'll paste items from the clipboard. We want to move several sentences in our press release, and because the Office Clipboard stores up to 24 items, we can cut or copy multiple items and easily view them. This gives us a lot of flexibility when we're editing. Let's get started. In step 1, here in the Clipboard group, I'll click this small Launcher button, which opens the Clipboard pane. When you cut or copy an item, it's added to the Office Clipboard. And you can see there's just one item listed here so far, the travel luncheon text we copied in the previous lesson. In step 2, I'll go down to the last paragraph here, and I'll Control-click to select the first sentence. We want to cut this text so it appears on the clipboard, but instead of using the buttons up on the ribbon, I'll show you a quicker method. I'll right-click the text, and on this shortcut menu, I'll click Cut. The sentence is removed from the document, and it's now stored in the Office Clipboard, appearing here at the top of the list. In step 3, we'll cut another item. I'll click in the left margin here to select this entire sentence, including the paragraph mark at the end. Then I'll right-click it, I'll click Cut, and now 3 items are listed in the Office Clipboard. We're ready to paste one of these items, so in step 4, I'll click at the end of the second paragraph to place the insertion point there. Then, in the Clipboard pane, I'll click the San Diego Union Tribune item, and that text is pasted in the document. Now in step 5, I'll place the insertion point at the end of the third paragraph. Then I'll go back over to the clipboard. I'll click the Detailed Schedule item, and that sentence is pasted into the document. In step 6, I'll select the entire fourth paragraph here. I'll right-click it, and I'll click Cut. Now in step 7, I'll click at the beginning of the third paragraph, which is where we want to paste the one we just cut. Now, we could click the item here in the Office Clipboard, but since it's the last item we cut, we can also just use the standard paste command instead. So I'll go up here and click Paste. And then to combine these two paragraphs, I'll press the backspace key, and we now have a single paragraph. Because we're displaying the formatting marks, it's easy to see that we need to clean up this extra spacing down here. So in step 8, I'll place the insertion point at the end of the third paragraph, and then I'll press the Delete key twice. And those extra blank lines are deleted. In step 9, I'll go up to the paragraph group, and I'll click the Show or Hide Formatting Marks button. In step 10, we want to clear the items from the Office Clipboard. This isn't always necessary, but it's good to do if you're working on a computer that others might be using later. So I'll click the Clear All button, and now the clipboard is empty. Next, I'll click the pane's Close button, and it closes. And to quickly move the insertion point to the top of our document, I'll press Control-Home. Pressing Control-Home is especially useful when you're working on a long document and need to quickly get back to the beginning. Finally, I'll save our work. To try these steps yourself, and for some additional tips, and to learn about copying and moving items between different documents, turn to page Word 30 in your book.